Friends, welcome to the channel. You are watching Alig Mechanical Academy. Today I will discuss the solution of the question number 22, which was asked in GATE 2020 in set 1 of 2 marks. The question is, a sheet metal with a stock hardness of 250 HRC has to be sheared using a punch and a die having a clearance of 1 mm between them. If the stock hardness of the sheet metal increases to 400 HRC, the clearance between the punch and the die should be dash mm. So we have to calculate clearance between the punch and the die when the metal hardness increases to 400 HRC. So this is a very easy question. We are having formula of clearance C is equal to 0.0032 T into root of tau. Here C is the clearance and T is the thickness of the metal. Tau is the hardness. Tau is the hardness of the material. So here only hardness of the material is increasing. So C will be only depending upon hardness. So C will be directly proportional to root of tau. Okay, or we can write C1 upon C2 is equal to root of tau 1 upon root of tau 2. Okay, which is equal to C1 we are having 1 mm and C2 we have to calculate is equal to root of tau 1. Tau 1 is 250 and tau 2 is 400 HRC. So 250 upon 400. Okay, or C2 will be equal to 400 upon 250 root of. This will be equal to 1.3 mm. So clearance of the material when hardness increases to 400 HRC is equal to 1.3 mm. So this is the final answer. Now I will solve another question, that is question number 44. This question was asked in GATE 2020 in set 2 of 2 marks. The question is, there are two identical shaping machines S1 and S2. In machine S2, the width of the workpiece is increased by 10% and the feed is decreased by 10% with respect to that of S1. If all other conditions remain the same, then the ratio of total time per pass in S1 and S2 will be. There is a shaping process in which the width of the workpiece is increased by 10% and the feed is decreased by 10%, and we have to calculate the ratio of the total time per pass in S1 and S2. So guys, time per pass in shaping process Tm is equal to L upon Vc 1 plus m into Z. Here L is the length of the workpiece, Vc is the cutting speed, and m is the ratio of Tr upon Tc, return time to cutting time, or it will be equal to Vc upon Vr, cutting speed to the return speed, and Z is the number of stroke, which is equal to B upon F. B is the width and F is the feed per stroke and mm per stroke, and this is in mm. So Z will be stroke. Okay, now in the question it is given that width and feed, width is increasing by 10% and feed is decreasing by 10%. If we talk of S1, machine S1, for machine S1, T1 is equal to L upon Vc 1 plus m into Z. Okay, and for machine S2, T2 is equal to L upon Vc 1 plus m into Z. Here T1 and T2 will depend only upon B and F. so it will be equal to T1 will be proportional to Z and T2 will be proportional to Z. You can say Z1 and this is Z2. So T1 is proportional B1 upon F1 and T2 is proportional B2 upon F2, or T1 upon T2 is equal to B1 upon F1 and B2 upon F2, or it will be equal to B1 upon B2 and F2 upon F1. Okay, this is the equation first. Now B2, width B2 is increased by 10%, so we can write B2 equal to B1 plus 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100 into B1. It will be equal to B1 plus 0.1 B1, or it will be equal to 1.1 B1. And feed F2. F2 is decreasing by 10%, which is equal to F1 minus 10 upon 100 F1. It will be equal to F1 minus 0.1 F1. It will be equal to 0.9 F1. So putting B2 and F2 in equation first. So T1 upon T2 will be equal to B1 upon B2. B2 is equal to 1.1 B1 and F2 equal to 0.9 F1 and this is F1. So finally it will be equal to 0.9 upon 1.1, and when we will calculate, this value will come out 0.8. So the ratio of time per pass in S1 and S2 will be equal to 0.8. This is our answer, and as per get answer key, the answer of this question was given as 0.7 to 0.9. So our answer is a correct answer. Thank you very much guys. For more videos related to get solution, subscribe our channel, like, comment and share the videos with the students.